All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Tanner Hughes. I'm the IT strategist for the Department of Health. I did to Cupid today. Diane had reached out to me and had mentioned you guys were using services that was out for you because you were always having to try and get into them, reset passwords when you get in, and because they sit so long, it actually doesn't work as a great solution for you guys. So what we've done is instead of giving you access to uh, a surface, we're giving you access to the content you need through Irene by using our VPN solution, and then also your email is available through webmail. So I'm going to step you through both of those real quick. Um, First off, we're going to go to cupid.health.ok.gov, and that's going to have an HTTPS in front of it. So if you don't mind going there. Diane reached out to me and said that there were some issues getting logged into this, and so I want to show you why that issue is happening, and then hopefully we can resolve that together, and then we can get going. So if I try and log on, this is going to be with your health email account, I'm sorry, user account. Um, and if you guys have issues with your health user account, you can always call the help desk at any time. That's 405-521-5222, and they'll be able to reset your password while you're on the phone for you. So, um, all right. So I'm going to hit this login button, and it's going to come up with some warnings, and it's going to ask me some questions. And I intentionally left it this way because I want to show you the fix. So this tells me that my Java application blocked this. And the reason for it is because Java has a built-in security method that doesn't know who you are, and so or this website is, and so basically it's blocked natively. So if I were to go ahead and hit OK, it would not work. It would come back with an error. So to fix this, you're going to hit Start, and you're going to type in Java, and there's a thing that says Configure Java, and you're going to click that. Well, this little window comes up. And then if you hit the security tab, down here where it says exception site list, you have an edit site list. And what we want to do is actually go and add a site to this for Cupid. So we're going to go https:// I don't think it's typing in there. There we go. https:// cupid.health.ok.gov. All right, and we're just gonna click add. Okay, so if you scroll down here, we now have cupid.health.ok.gov right here. So hit OK. We're gonna hit OK out of this one too. You're gonna have to get out of this window completely, and then we'll reopen Windows or Internet Explorer. We're gonna go there again. ps:// All right, we'll go back to this. It'll ask us to re-log in. It's probably trying to address those changes the first time. Here we go. Okay, so it's going to come up with that login box. Tanner Hughes. All right. And when you hit log on this time, we should see something a little bit different. So this box should actually process a little bit differently this time. It'll come up with Java. It should load all the way, and then give us an option to get onto website. So on this page, I want to hit accept the risk because you do want to get onto Cupid, and then you're going to hit run. And what this does is it goes through and initiates the communication with the VPN appliance. All right, so you can't see that, but it says SSL VPN working now. So what we're expecting to see is go to the Irene site that you guys have the Board of Health information on. So we're going to hopefully get that information from this page. And then afterwards, I'll show you how to get onto your webmail. So there's several options here that you can have. Really, the only thing that you need is this board external access to Irene. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and hit launch. And I am not allowed to get onto the board website, so this is an Irene error that I get. But when you go to it, you'll be able to click onto it and see everything. So for just use sake, I do have access using a different username. Uh, all right. Maybe. Maybe I don't have access to your page. Anyways, that's probably a good thing. So that's how you get onto Irene. That's how you're going to get to it. Sorry, you don't actually see that, but again, you see that access is denied. That's good because I'm not supposed to have access to your stuff anyways. Um, the second thing that I want to show you is access to webmail. So beforehand, you used to go on and use the tablets to get onto webmail or to get onto your email, and now we have the option through Office 365 to go on and access your email without getting onto a state-owned computer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to portal.office.com. All right, you're going to hit enter. I'm already selected here, but there will be a box that looks like this when you get there. And when you get here, you can put in, I'm going to put in my health email account. So it's going to be tannerhughes@health.ok.gov. And we're going to hit next. And then from here, it's going to take us to our organizational sign-on page. You should see the same thing. You'll see the capital, you'll see ok.gov, and a place to put in your password. So go ahead and put in your password to your email. And again, if you have problems with this, call the help desk. They'll be able to help you out. 521-2444. And we're going to hit sign on. I have never logged on to this before, so this is good. So what we want to do is we want to go and set up our security verification now. So we'll do that together. So we'll hit set it up now. Since you guys have never logged in, that's pretty normal. Take this number down. This is my cell phone number. So if you ever need me or anything else, I'd be more than happy to help you out. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and say that we're going to set up the phone with a text message verification. And so let's hit next. And then we should be getting a text message on your phone. And that text message is going to have a number. And this number happens to be 252-823 for me, but it might be different for you. It could be the same, but that's why they text it to you. So put in your cell phone number and hit verify. This does not have to be a state-owned cell phone. It doesn't have to be, it can be the personal device, as long as it's a phone number that can receive text messages. Alternatively, you can have it call you, but it's super easy whenever you get it. So this is going to validate my number, and we're going to hit done. All right. You can choose to stay logged on if you want. That's your choice or not. I choose to stay logged on most of the time just because I don't like putting that stuff in over and over again. But I do find that I do have to put it in there every once in a while. So this is all right. So once you click into the Outlook portion of this, it's going to be right here. You'll click Outlook, and it will take you to this tab. You should be able to go in and see your email from there. So if you have any email from anyone at Health, this is where you're going to find it. This is a real easy way for you to get in, check your email on your own personal device, so you don't have to carry around a Surface from the state. You don't have to see anything else, but or you don't have to have an issue with your password as you come in. You're not constantly fighting those things, but it does require you to have your own device. So that is one caveat to this. But this is my recommendation for you to go in and use your Cupid access, and for you to use your webmail access. So what I'm going to do real quick here is I'm going to put up I'm going to put up my information if you need to call me or text me or anything like that. If you have questions, please feel free to give me a call. Um, I'm more than happy to help you out any chance I get. Um, Here we go. You saw this earlier, but there it is again. And I am the strategist for health. So I'm here to help you. My focus is on health. My focus is on making sure that you guys can go in and do your mission as you need it. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. Again, that's how to use Cupid to access your Irene site and how to use webmail to access your email. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.